When it comes to supplies, it's time to face the facts. There are labels, and then there are zebra labels. The wrong labels can greatly reduce your efficiency and hurt productivity. At Zebra, we understand that quality isn't only what we put into our products, it's what our customers get out of them. That's why we only use pre-tested, consistent materials and manufacturing processes. Why we ensure minimal printhead wear and tear and implement chemical, adhesive, and environmental testing to withstand unique environments. Why we never substitute materials to cut costs. And why we follow an ISO-certified quality process that includes a stringent 23-point inspection. The difference our products make to organizations is one of the many reasons why our products are worth more. We reduce the need to reprint and replace labels. We reduce premature printhead failure. We reduce downtime, all of which reduce TCO. When companies choose high-quality Zebra supplies instead of just any supplies, operations run smoother, productivity increases, and efficiency improves. See the difference the right supplies can make for you.